Okay guys, this is my dilemma. Rear caliper. Now when I replaced the brakes the last time, I reinstalled it. I stripped this fucking guy right here. I over torqued it. I was hoping I could get to it from up top and back it out, but looks like I'm gonna have to do the easy out and all that crap. I hope it comes out. See how it goes. It's gonna be a nightmare. Here's the rear brake pad kit. Picked 06 to 2017 VRSC models. Mine's an 07 VRSCAW. You get two pads. This is the guy that I stripped. Here's the part number if you just need to replace that. It worked. Holy shit, it worked. Whew. That was scary there for a minute. I didn't think it was coming out. Okay folks, she's back together. Easy out worked. Give her a little drill and she's good to go. I'll put it back together and take it for a test drive.